Have you ever wanted to turn your passion into profit? Or maybe you're just looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash. Well, Gemini app might be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Gemini and learn how you can start selling your products or services on this popular platform. Understanding Gemini app. Gemini app is a mobile marketplace that connects sellers with buyers. It's a great platform for individuals and businesses to showcase their products and reach a wide audience. But before you start listing your items, let's understand the basics. Key features of Gemini app. User-friendly interface. Secure payment options. Wide range of product categories. Effective customer support. Getting started on Gemini app. To begin your selling journey on Gemini app, you'll need to create an account. It's a simple process that involves providing your basic information and setting up your profile. Once you're in, it's time to start building your online store. Creating your online store. Profile setup. Customize your profile with a catchy bio, a professional profile picture, and relevant keywords. Product listing. Add your products, including high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Categories and tags. Choose the appropriate categories and tags to improve your product's visibility. Optimizing your listings for success. To attract more buyers, it's essential to optimize your product listings. Here are some tips. High-quality images. Use clear and well-lit images that showcase your products from all angles. Compelling descriptions. Write detailed and engaging descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your products. Relevant keywords. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search engine visibility. Competitive pricing. Research your competitors' prices and set a fair and competitive price for your products. Engaging with buyers. One of the keys to successful selling on Gemini app is effective communication with buyers. Respond promptly to messages, address their questions and concerns, and provide excellent customer service. Building relationships with buyers. Active communication. Stay engaged with your buyers through messages and notifications. Address inquiries. Respond to questions and concerns in a timely and helpful manner. Positive reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Payment and shipping. Gemini app offers secure payment options and provides tools to manage shipping and delivery. Understand the platform's policies and procedures to ensure a smooth transaction process. Payment options. Credit cards. Debit cards. Digital wallets. Local payment methods. Shipping and delivery. Set up shipping preferences. Calculate shipping costs. Track orders and deliveries. Promoting your products. To reach a wider audience and increase sales, you can promote your products on Gemini app and other platforms. Here are some effective strategies. Social media marketing. Share your products on social media platforms and engage with your followers. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or other content to showcase your products and provide valuable information. Paid advertising. Consider using Gemini app's advertising tools or other platforms to reach a targeted audience. Tips for success. To maximize your success on Gemini app, keep these tips in mind. Consistency. Regularly update your listings and engage with buyers. Quality products. Offer high-quality products that meet customer expectations. Positive feedback. Strive for positive feedback and ratings from your customers. Learn and adapt. Stay updated on Gemini app's features and trends, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Conclusion. Selling on Gemini app can be a rewarding experience, but it requires effort and dedication. By following these guidelines and continuously improving your approach, you can build a successful online business and reach your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.